Ever type something into ChatGPT and got a weird answer? The problem isn't the AI, it's the prompt. That's where prompt engineering comes in. Think of prompts like instructions. If your question isn't clear, ChatGPT won't be either. A good prompt equals a great response. Here's how to level up your prompts. Be specific. Give context. Tell ChatGPT the format you want, and always test and tweak. Prompt engineering isn't just for coders. It helps students write better, marketers sell smarter, and teens save hours. Want to master AI conversations and get results that wow? Join our prompt engineering course at AI-Versiti. Built for beginners, ready for pros. Your words have power. Learn how to use them with AI. Join Prompt Engineering Mastery now at AIversiti.com.